audit uncovers over 14,000 ghost voters in Lamwo district ahead of NRM primaries, reported by Radio Pashish. Lamwo district on a serious trend. Serious concerns have emerged ahead of the National Resistance Movement Party, that's the NRM primaries, after an internal audit revealed a staggering 14,581 ghost voters fraudulently registered in Lamwo district. A finding that now threatens to shake confidence in the upcoming intra-party election process. The audit, conducted by a team of NRM officials from Kampala, was part of a broader verification exercise meant to authenticize the party register before the July 17 primaries. Initial submissions enlisted 74,073 registered NRM voters in Lamwo. However, after cross-verification with physical and biometric records, only 60,092 genuine voters were confirmed. This is a serious issue. We are investigating how such a huge number of ghost voters ended up in the official register, said one senior NRM official who spoke on condition of anonymity. It threatens the credibility of the electoral process and undermines the democratic values we stand for as a party, he added. The discrepancy of 14,581 voters has sparked allegations of premeditated fraud, with several party aspirants claiming that some candidates may have artificially inflated numbers in their areas to swing the vote in their favor. Civil society actors in Lamwo and local opinion leaders have joined the call for electoral transparency, with some urging the NRM Electoral Commission to temporarily suspend the primaries until the voter register is completely cleaned and publicly validated. Lamwo must not be used as a testing ground for electoral fraud, said Catherine Akulu, a youth leader in Badibe. We want free and fair elections, not staged victories, she added. The NRM Electoral Commission is yet to issue a formal response through sources and several other channels. For now, sources indicate a statement may be released before the polls proceed on Thursday, July 17, 2025. So now here are the quick summaries of the figures. The initial registered number is up to 74,673. The verified genuine voters is 60,092. Ghost voter entries detected up to 14,581. The scheduled primary date is Thursday, July 17, 2025. The discrepancy rate is approximately 19.5% of the register. So the district in question is Lamwo district. Now, if you want to know these concerned stakeholders, is the party candidates, that is the NRM secretariat, the MP contestants, civil society, and the local leaders. As the nation watches, questions loom over whether this scandal will serve as a wake-up call for stronger internal democratic systems who deepen distrust in the NRM's electoral integrity. Yesterday, a WhatsApp channel named Rupin Pakara that is RPK, posted that also voters have been transferred from our districts into Gulu City. And could this be calling for an audit into Gulu City's NRM voters register? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.